Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how I recently came across a weird stupid error that Gradle to Kotlin DSL migration caused me. So recently I was cloning one of my apps called Codes app. So in a recent pull request we had migrated this project from Groovy to Kotlin DSL. So when I clone this repository, I'll show you what happens. So first I'll change the directory to the desktop and clone this repository there. Then I open Android Studio and open this Codes app and let the project build for the first time. Okay, so one thing I noticed was, so we have to upgrade the Android Gradle plugin because there are new versions available. So why not to do that? We'll begin the upgrade and run the selected steps. Okay, so Gradle has upgraded. So now we'll go to the project structure and verify that the latest version have been installed. So the latest stable version has been installed here and Gradle is also upgraded. So first, when we go to the build.gradle.kts file in the project level and the module level, we will notice that it all works fine for now. These errors are because of the KTlint extension I installed. So when I format the file with KTlint and sync now, all these errors will be gone. So one thing we noticed that JCenter is deprecated. It means it's deprecated and most of the users would remove it and from here also and sync now. As soon as you will sync it and when the Gradle finishes syncing, you will be able to see that this Android section will be completely filled with errors. I don't know what the issue is because JCenter is deprecated and I don't know how they are interrelated. But I was able to fix this error as soon as I enter JCenter here and here and resync. You will be able to see that all these errors are gone like this. Also, I'll remove the KTlint errors from here by formatting the file. And yeah, the reason was this because JCenter is needed for this section to work. I'm not sure about what the relation between these two is, but you have to make sure that JCenter is included. Most of you will have excluded it from the project while migrating. So this is the error you're getting. If anyone of you is sure about the error, like what is the relation with JCenter and this Android section in the build.gradle.kts file and why does it cause this error, make sure to drop a comment so that all of us can know. So this was it for the fixing of this error, guys. If you are interested in the Codes app I made, you can check it out. It's a beautiful Codes app where you can read codes and save them to your device. We recently added the share feature and there will be a new release for this app in the coming days. So make sure to check it out.